Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to Odoo. First of all, log into your Odoo account, head over to settings, then scroll down, then from the left sidebar, click website. In the domain section, type your domain name like your www.yoursite.com into the box and click save. Now go to your domain provider like Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account. Create a CNAME record pointing your domain like www to Odoo's target domain, usually something like your company.odoo.com. Wait a few minutes to a few hours. Once DNS updates, your domain will be live on Odoo. And that's it, your custom domain is now connected. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.